I'm Gary with Taylor Adhesives, and today we're going to talk to you about Taylor Timberline. Timberline is part of our traditional moisture cured family here at Taylor. It is going to give you all of the same benefits that a traditional moisture cured adhesive will give you, which is an aggressive bond. But it also hits at a very competitive, good, great price point that you can utilize for your everyday installations, and it is easy spread. We changed the formulation a little bit last year to make it easier spreadability. One of the problems we've always had with traditional urethanes is they're hard to spread. At the end of the day, you feel like Popeye, your right arm is hurting. This is one that's going to actually solve that problem. It gives you moisture protection up to 10 pounds of vapor emissions or 90% relative humidity. So it does everything you need it to do, plus you've got some added benefit of moisture control. Now we're going to actually have Ray come up here. He's going to spread some adhesive. We're going to do this over a Lexan panel, and that's going to show us how you get your coverage from below to give you your moisture protection. Now Ray has already prepared the pail by removing the lid, and he's going to spread some adhesive on this Lexan panel using the bond-only trowel. Now this trowel will give you a great strong bond, but it will not give you moisture protection because it's not going to give you that 100% coverage. And as I mentioned earlier, we reformulated Timberline to give you easy spreadability, and that is a big advantage in the field. At the end of the day, you're not going to be quite as worn out. Now as he spreads this, you're going to see how it scrapes clean between the notches. That's a point where moisture could come up. So this trowel only gives you bond. It does not give you moisture protection. If you need moisture control, then you utilize one of our two moisture barrier trowels. The one he's using today is a 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch V-notch trowel. It comes to a point between the ridges, and by doing that, it will actually fold in as you put the flooring onto it and roll the assembly. That gives you your moisture control and makes this a membrane that's going to give you that moisture protection. As I said earlier, this is an easy to spread formulation. Really makes your life a lot easier. The day goes better, and at the end of the day, you're going to feel a lot better because of that. It is a moisture cured product, so you do want to put the lid on between uses, so you do not have any issues with that. Ray's going to set some planks in here in just a moment and roll that assembly to help fill that in. Drops the planks in place. As you can see, he's wearing gloves to protect his skin. And this is a moisture cured product, a traditional urethane, so it could damage the finish of the wood. If you get adhesive on the finish, you want to get that off promptly and remove that with a compatible cleaner so that you don't actually damage the finish of your wood. Now Ray's going to roll that with the hand roller, embed that down in. And we're going to look at it from below to show you how you get that coverage. As you can see, we've got 100% coverage where the adhesive was applied using the 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch V-notch trowel. And you can see voids where he used the bond-only trowel. So remember, next time you're looking for a traditional moisture-cured urethane wood flooring adhesive that has an aggressive bond, easy to spread, and hits at a great price point, think of Taylor Timberline. And remember, at Taylor, we're with you every step.